Second one is participant versus non-participant observation. Non-participant observation is the researcher is never directly involved in the actions of the actors, but observes them from outside the actor's visual horizon. This may be done in a one-way mirror or a camera. While participant observation is an approach that has frequently been used in case studies, ethnographic studies, and grounded theory studies. The researcher gathers data by participating in the daily life of the group or organization under study. So, Spradley in 1980 has developed a typology to describe a continuum in the degree of participation of researchers. First is the passive participation. It is the lowest level of participant observation. It allows the researcher to collect the required data without becoming an integral part of the organizational system. For example, the researcher might sit in the corner of an office and watch and record how a merchant bank trader spends her time. The next one is the moderate participation. This occurs when the researcher does not actively participate and only occasionally interacts with the social group under study. In new research settings, in which the researcher is not familiar with the activities, habits, and/or the jargon of the group, many researchers begin at the level of moderate participation until a more active role is possible. The next one is the active participation. When the researcher actually engages in almost everything that the group under study is doing as a means of trying to learn about their behavior. Also, the researcher may also play the role of the complete participant observer. So, next one is the complete participant observation. In this, the researcher becomes a member of the social group under study. An example of complete participant observation. First, if a researcher wants to study group dynamics in work organizations, then she may join the organization as an employee and observe the dynamics in groups, while being part of the work organization and work groups. Like this, complete participant observation aims to generate an understanding of a social group from an insider's point of view. The next example, in a business context, is Bainon's in 1975 study. Bainon spent much of 1967 in Ford's Halewood plant to study factory life and the experience of people who work at the assembly lines of the Ford Motor Company. Bainon entered the Ford Motor Company and became a member of the social group under study. These are workers within a car assembly plant to investigate life of the line.